Bonjour, bonjour, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So basically for today's video about focusing on the details, I thought that I wanted to do street photography and with a compact camera. So that's why I chose to do today's video with the Lumix TZ80. So that's for the photography aspect. But the second point is about filming the video. So I thought I would take a leap of faith and also use this camera to film today's video. It is a leap of faith because it's completely busted. The video is not the best. Sometimes it's working and sometimes the screen is completely black and you only discover this when you're editing the video. Because when I try to review it on the camera, it's showing the video perfectly. So it's a total surprise, so that's why it's a leap of faith. But I kind of like the old school vlogs where it was really spontaneous and really casual. And I kind of like this sort of casual aspect that there is to it, this spontaneity. That's really nice. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Okay, it is filming right now. By the way, it's only displaying black and white, but it's actually filming in colors right now. I think that's today's topic, taking a leap of faith. There's an HDMI port, but there's no microphone plugin. There isn't even like anything. You can't put anything on top of this. So the sound is going to be what it's going to be. Alright, see you outside. La lentille est dégueulasse. By the way, I still have to walk 10k today. I'm at the chickens again. Okay, so I'm going to exit this park in a second. I'm just realizing there's like 50 kids screaming behind me. Not even sure there are 50, maybe like 10, 20 kids making that much noise. So the thing is, I can film myself with that, and nobody cares because it's so small. It doesn't look like something you would put on YouTube. There is some construction work there. But it's not supposed to be sunny today, or even blue. Right now it's struggling to zoom in. So this one is Basilique Saint-Sauveur. And I don't think I've actually visited it, so I'm going to try that now. They are preparing something there. Okay, so they were definitely preparing for something, but I don't know what. I feel like I've walked a lot already and I've taken a lot of photos in the city center. I don't know what they will look like, but I'm satisfied. But the thing is that I'm still far from my 10k. and I need to walk more, and it's really busy in the streets of the center. So yeah, I'm just coming to the park to walk. So I am back at the chickens, and I am at 5.3 kilometers, so I still have a bit to go. I'm at the chickens again, and I am at 6.3 kilometers. I accidentally found like a early 2000s playlist, and it is great. Currently, it's Christina Aguilera. It has been an interesting afternoon musically. Just have to let you know it's Whitney. So I'm at the chickens again, and I am at 7.3 kilometers. I am nearly done. Just one more round and I'm going home. Another day, another 10k. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!